and mine know. You're ready. I'm ready. Yeah. Okie dokie yo. Is that true? Yes. Okie dokie yo. Is that true? Yes. Okie dokie yo. 정말로. Yes. Okie dokie yo. Say la 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 la.
Roll 12. Scene San Francisco vlog. Take 1. Hi guys, and welcome back to today's video. And oof, I'm bad shape right now because I just got up and it's 5:30 in the morning. And so this video is about me going to PUC, which is the church camp, and it's for a week and we're leaving today, and I'll explain more later, but right now I'm finishing up packing and then I'm going to go wash my face and get ready to leave. We're leaving. Oh, obviously my mom's not here to drive, so we're leaving in a second, and we're going to pick up our friends, and we're getting this like rental car thing, and because our truck broke down, and it's literally so like it's small, so we don't fit much in it, but it's okay. We're just gonna have to squeeze in. But it's a 6-hour drive to the hotel place, and tomorrow we're going to the actual campus for the actual church retreat kind of thing. But tonight we're just going with Lindsay's family and Putinchon to hang out at a hotel before we go to the actual thing tomorrow, which is Sunday. Just got in the car and we picked up Shannon and Devin, and we have literally things piled to the top. You can't even see out through the trunk. Hello. And Devin's there. And then, yeah, now we're heading, we have to drop something off, so we're heading to the place, and then we're gonna head to the hotel.
Which is 5 hours away.
No, 6.
6?
Yeah. We're at Starbucks, and I got a chai latte thingy with sweet cream foam. But they're making it right now, so I didn't get it yet. And then we drove 30 minutes so far, and then we still have like 5 hours. This is the drink.
What? Shake it, don't break it. Take your mama now.
These lids stuck here, so if it exploded, I would be so scared.
I would have been laughing.
But it's pretty good. I never got it with sweet cream. It just tastes the same, kind of. But it's good. Update, we just stopped at Jack in the Box's restroom, and the bathroom was the most disgusting bathroom in the world. And now I'm going to probably sleep. And we saw Lindsay coming, by the way, so they passed us, so they're probably gonna get there like 30 minutes before us, because Jesse drives way faster than us. 1 hour and 50 minutes to go. 1 hour and 40 minutes to go. 1 hour till we get to the hotel. 45 more minutes. 30 minutes. 15 minutes left. Can we just get there already?
We made it.
0 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
So there was a problem because we reserved 2 queen beds, and we only got 1 king bed and a stupid sofa, which no one wants to sleep on there obviously, but it does pull out. And then Lindsay's family is in a different room, and right now our view is a ugly tree. Yeah. We're at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel, and it took us 45 minutes to get here, and I don't know what we're doing here, but yeah. This is...
Hi guys.
I'm Putin.
I haven't seen you guys.
Sean.
Actually no, I saw you in the last vlog.
Yeah.
So wait, did you tell us where they are? I mean, where we are?
Well, yes, kind of.
Oh.
But we're going to see the beach or whatever to take photos. And yeah. And this is not going to be like PUC vlog. This is only about like San Francisco. Her cute phone case from Korea.
Oh yeah, and then wait, are you doing a separate vlog for PUC?
PUC will be the next one.
Yeah, so we're leaving tomorrow morning.
Yeah, well, we're leaving tomorrow to San Francisco to like go to the Golden State Bridge and tour around there.
And then after.
And then after, we're gonna go to PUC.
PUC.
The view is so pretty, and down there is like, and then all over there you can't tell, but there's like a ton of birds. Like all those little black dots are birds on the thing, or penguins, but probably not. That bird went bye-bye. It's freezing here. Yeah, no one cares about the stupid bird, but it's freezing.
We should do it with, oh,
we're doing this Korean game.
Oh yeah, okay. It's a Korean game. We'll show you guys. It's like this. I am 그라운드 자기소개하기. 초원 3.
초원. Lindy 2.
Lindsay. Yeah.
Yeah, Sienna 4. Sienna. Cop.
Send me the picture.
Yeah. Cynthia 3. Cynthia. Hey guys, Sienna's annoyed at me because I'm taking over this vlog. But it's fine. And you're gonna include this in the vlog.
She always says
So
that.
we're gonna go to, we're deciding on where to eat, and everybody's starving and it's freezing.
I don't want ramen though because I'm gonna be bloated tomorrow, and we're gonna eat ramen.
Oh yeah, so I don't think we should eat ramen. But the other place is like so
expensive.
Yeah,
it's like $72 for one Korean dish, which is like ridiculous.
But right now this place is freezing. It feels like it's like almost like autumn, like fall
and
weather.
It's only 5 o'clock, and the sun shouldn't even be set yet, but it's like foggy.
But
as
we're
heck.
in San Fran.
Cisco.
Yeah, but we're heading to dinner right now.
Watch out.
Oh, and we finished taking pictures in front of the Half Moon Bay. And that's all you need to know for now. So the next footage will be of us at the dinner
restaurant,
place.
and this is a surprise where we eat.
Okay, bye guys.
We're at a place called Dog House or something, and we're getting burgers, and I'm so tired. Like I was like sleeping in the car. I just got a regular cheeseburger and some like Coke to split with my mom, and it's only 6:44. So. The lighting is like really good, like right here. But I got my food, and then I got this like, I never ate here before, but cheeseburger, and I cut it up, and then like some French fries. But yes, and we got back to the hotel room, as you can see, and Shannon got froyo.
Oh god.
And then it's already like 8 o'clock, so we're probably gonna just shower and chill out for the night, and then wake up tomorrow and go on adventures.
Alright, what's up guys? It's almost 12 o'clock.
44.
Almost 12 o'clock. This person over here just thinks I'm gonna study. Who studies?
For my health class.
Look at you. Yeah, we got goodies. Chest mix. Skinny pop. Goldfish.
My parents are there sleeping.
Yeah, they're right over there. Right over there.
Yes.
But
We'll see you in 50 minutes at 12 midnight.
alright, see you guys. Yeah, what's up guys? Update. This is an update. Currently 12:13, and it looks like she sent me a snap. So she's still over here just finishing her studying.
I love it. I'm joking.
Who loves studying? Honestly.
What?
I don't know if that worked again, but
What?
I got dressed and my hair looks bad today. But we're gonna go down and eat breakfast and then pack up the car and head to the San Francisco.
Bay Area, baby.
So we went downstairs to Texas breakfast, but we did not like it. But luckily we brought like this giant thing of peaches, and they look really good. And so me and my mom are just gonna eat this for breakfast. And Shannon and Devin are eating down there though. But we have to leave at 10 o'clock so we can make it and do all the tourist things in time to go to the place for 5 o'clock tonight. We're back in the car. I'm eating this rice cake. And we're going to Ghirardelli Chocolate Factory in San Francisco. And it's 45 minutes away. And all our stuff is in the car because we're not coming back to the hotel. Going down Lombard Street. We're at Ghirardelli or Times Square or something. And then we passed Lombard Street, which you saw, and over there is the Alcatraz. And we're not going there though, but it's kind of scary. I went last year. And I guess we're going to eat chocolate. I don't even know what the factory is about, but I want to eat chocolate.
I want chocolate too. And that's my favorite chocolate.
Really? I don't even know the different types of chocolate brands. I just eat whatever.
My favorite is the Ghirardelli caramel one.
Caramel.
They're so good.
언니 이거 뭐 스티커
We got this caramel brownie, and I really wanted to try it, so my mom's gonna try it. And I also got some of these, which I'll try later at the hotel, at the PUC. You'll see. But let's try this.
Hi guys, welcome to Ghirardelli.
And she stole the ribbon. It's really good, actually. Really good. We currently are on the San Francisco Bridge, and over there you can see
Leaving it up to the person.
the like main part of it.
I mean, they won't let you adopt a child at 14 or 12 or 13.
And it's so deep.
Why can't you adopt them at that age?
I'm gonna insert pictures here. And am I zoomed in? Oh no. I'm gonna insert pictures here of us recreating BTS photos at the park, and I look ugly. But we're going to Cerrito, I don't know, Salsa, and we're going to eat there for lunch.
Yeah, she keeps forgetting how to pronounce it.
It's okay.
Hello.
All that matters is that we get food because I'm hungry. Hello. Here is restaurant. Real. I don't know English.
그럼 다 같이 해서 나누면 되는 거
Oh my
아니야?
gosh. Hi guys. We're at a restaurant in San Francisco and we're eating lunch. And you're wondering why Sienna's not here. She's right behind me.
Yeah.
I mean right in front of me.
언니.
I'm gonna try. The chili pepper.
Eat one.
One or whole?
No.
Oh, that's so spicy.
Ah. Okay. I'm eating like one.
Later.
Oh, I eat it?
You gave me 2 cards. You gave me 2 cards.
The food is really good. And then my mom got this like rice ball thing that I'm gonna try. I don't know exactly how you're supposed to eat it. It's really good. The pizza is so cheesy. I'm gonna like be drooling when I edit these videos and look back. y'all.
Wait, so
This is the end of our San Francisco vlog.
Okay. Wait,
And
so we
thank-
just,
yeah, we finished the food. I liked it. My mom, some people weren't in love, but this is the vlog. Say bye.
And it was, wait, and
Oh.
also, I have a message.
Wait, you're
we're going
leaving.
on. Oh, wait, okay, so this was the first time in San Francisco, and we saw the Golden Gate Bridge, and I was actually really impressed by San Francisco's, like, visuals.
Yeah, it was good. I had fun time, even though it was cold. So I'm back and I'm at this place now, and we're gonna try all or most of the chocolates from the Ghirardelli market. Let's lay it out and see which ones we got. Okay, so first we got sea salt caramel. I've had that before though. Dark chocolate raspberry. That does not sound good. A mini one. It's cute. Hazelnut caramel. I'm most excited for that one. And then another regular caramel and a dark chocolate and a dark chocolate. A dark what? They're just cocoa is the difference. Cacao. And cacao. Cocoa. Oh, cacao. And then white chocolate caramel. Okay, first I'm gonna go with the most exciting one. This one. Yeah.
How's that one? Is that a hazelnut one?
Yeah.
Oh, I was excited about that.
It's a little different. It has like a
It tastes like a
thingy in it. Now I'm gonna try this one, which I don't think I'm gonna like.
No, like the chips taste like I can't smell that.
I thought she was talking about bread.
I don't like,
Yeah.
I don't like white chocolate. Let's try the raspberry.
Yeah.
Huh?
She's doing a reveal.
Okay.
I'm curious to know what her favorite is.
No, I don't like it. Okay. Let's just try the intense one. What, dark chocolate?
How was the feel?
I
think they're sweet.
And lastly, I'm just gonna try this one.
But it's not smooth on
I need a shower too.
Oh, that's good. Of course. But, okay, so my favorite is this one. The hazelnut chocolate. And the rest I don't like except the sea salt caramel. But I don't, I mean, I think if I were to do anything, I would just recommend the milk chocolate. So, don't go to San Francisco just for the chocolate.